Hey guys, as yogis, it's really helpful to have a number of different ways to get on and off the floor, in particular without using our hands. So this is a way that I have been experimenting with and teaching lately in a number of my classes that I'm really excited to share. So we're going to begin on our backs. I often start my classes with a supine on your back centering and a little bit of core work and a little bit of warm-up on our backs. And that might include a whole host of things: posterior pelvic tilts, pelvic circles, knee circles, hip circles, leg lifts, etc. There might be all kinds of things there. So as I transition folks, I've been playing with the idea of knees draw to chest, fingers interlace, and then let this whole shape roll to your side. You'll press down into the bottom arm and separate your legs. Lift your head, reach your top leg forward so that as you come up, your legs are separated like petals of a flower, kind of opening, layering one on the other. You'll interlace your fingers again, lower down to that same side, draw your knees back, and you can rock exactly to the other side. Notice that I kept my head off the floor. Same shape over here. This action warms up the hips, prepares us for the warrior two type position of the legs. It is actually a pretty dramatic shape for the hips of a lot of people. And it is really an efficient way to get up. Many times when I teach this, I see people hesitate to roll completely onto the side, and they get part way and they're like, trying to use their core muscles. And there's nothing wrong with using your core to get up, but this head, leg help create some momentum to get us up. So I recommend experimenting with that. Rolling to the right and up, lowering down requires that eccentric negative control of the core, and just going side to side until it becomes a fluid action for you. And if you start to incorporate this into your teaching or your own yoga practice at home, or even just the way you get in and out of bed in the morning, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much.